Would you spend an extra $15,000 to skip renovations, or would you rather save money and take on a fixer-upper? We're going to talk about what that means on this episode of Ryan in Real Estate. Welcome back. Thanks again for joining us. If you haven't done so, take a minute, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that little YouTube stuff. We'd love to connect with you. If you have any questions, always feel free to drop a comment. So, recent data shows that buyers are willing to pay nearly 4% more for a home that's already remodeled, adding up to an extra $13,199 on an average US home. And it's not just about price, guys, because here's the reality. Did you realize that move-in ready homes are getting 26% more daily saves and 30% more daily shares on Zillow than any other home? Guys, I'm telling you this, buyers are actively hunting for turnkey properties, which means more competition if you're not willing to do those things that make it more turnkey. On the flip side, fixer-uppers are selling for about 7.3% less than similar homes, the biggest discount there's been in 3 years. Why do you think this is? What do you think the reason might be? Here's reality. The pandemic ignited a renovation boom across the country. Like everybody, when the lights were out and we couldn't go anywhere, everybody was really understanding of what's going on in my house. And I want this done, I want this done, because you were living there all the time. So because of that, when that happened, it led to more turnkey homes actually hitting the market. And that's kind of what buyers have gotten used to at this point is, hey, I want the turnkey home instead. And today's buyers, listen to this guys, today's buyers would rather pay more for a turnkey home than something they're gonna have to put money into to fix it up. Because here's the reality, when you fix up a home, they've got to deal with the headaches, the delays, the rising cost of renovations. Builders are dealing with that too, and homeowners just don't want to deal with that. So if you're thinking of selling, those renovations that you're thinking of putting off could boost your home's value even more than what the cost is you're spending to get those renovations done. And here's the other reality, if you're buying, fixer-uppers are actually right now a great opportunity to get a best shot of deal with those prices dropping 7.3%, which has been the best in 3 years for them. Look, I've been doing market reports for the last 2 years, every single month, putting them on video for you to see. And all the numbers say the exact same thing, which is homes that are turnkey are selling for way more than homes that are not. And I'm talking way more than the renovation cost of selling those homes. So my question to you, and I'd love for you to answer this question in the comments, which side are you on? Would you rather pay more for a home that's move-in ready or a fixer-upper for a better deal? I want you to drop your vote in the comments. As always, thanks for joining us on Ryan in Real Estate. We will see you next time. Stay safe, have fun, and be smart. See y'all.